Hi everyone. I was having so much fun making that purple jewelry from for the Jewelry Making Fun collab, and I had mentioned that I wanted to do more pink. Well, yeah, I had all this pink stuff out, so I did make some pink. Here's kind of what I used. I used some Chinese crystal. I think they're 6 and 8 millimeter bicone mix. The label fell off the bag, and so the bag that's in there, but they're from Oriental Trading. I used that AccuFlex blush pink 49 strand beading wire again. I used some, this strand was Blooming Beads, I think it was from Joann's. I don't know. Anyway, I bought it in 2016, and it had oval pink cat's eye glass beads on it, and then it had these sort of peachy pink crystals, and I started to use them, except I noticed that these spacers sort of already tarnished, and I decided I didn't like it, so I took all those off and just used the cat's eye glass type beads. I used some baby pink potato freshwater cultured pearls 8x7 millimeter. I used a couple of these glass hearts. They're from Hobby Lobby. I don't know when I bought them. I almost finished between this. I made a bracelet and 2 earrings also. I have 6 beads left. These were from Beadbox Bargains not long ago, October. They're 4 millimeter semi-round frosted light rose beads, and there's the number. I don't know if they still have them. Yeah, 11-inch strand 4 millimeter semi-round glass beads. I had these in my stash from a bargain bead box in July 2016. They're 9 millimeter textured bead caps. They sort of look like they had hearts in the texture, but they don't. They're just textured. But they're kind of cool. So I used only 6 of those. I had 4 beads I bought in a D-stash. They're pink. They're like a bubblegum pink, but they're speckled with other colors, but they have a white core. I suspect they came originally from Dollar Bead or somewhere like that, but I bought them in a D-stash from Nick's Crafty Corner. And I used 3 of them on the necklace and 1 on the bracelet, so they're all gone. And then I had a strand of saucer beads. They were pink opaque, and they were 6x3 millimeter. They're from Fire Mountain, but and there were how many? 30 each on the almost all of them, except 6 on the bracelet and 2 more on the ear, except 8 of them. So I used 22 of them on the necklace, and I already told you about this. And then just some ear wires, stainless steel ear wires, 2 pairs of those, and some eye pins and head pins for the earrings only. And I used lobster clasps. I don't have them here, but those were in my personal stash. I think they were from Beadbox Bargains a long while ago, but I'm not positive about that. Alright, so let me flip you up here, and here's what I made. Let's see, that light seems, oops, sorry, it seems really dim. I'm trying to brighten it up. So this is about the right length, if I don't have it tucked or anything in the back. So here's what I did. Here's the 3 like gumball pink out of the 4. Here's the cat's eye glass, the Chinese crystal, the freshwater pearls, the frosted semi-rounds, and those opaque saucers look like this. I don't know if I don't think they're check glass. No, because they had this strand thing. Oh, they are. Bead glass check pink number 1. And they're rose. They just call them pink, but yeah. And then the bead caps are on either side of these pink bubblegum beads, because they have a white core and I didn't really want that to show. And the blush pink beading wire and crimp beads, and a closed, I used a closed silver plated copper jump ring there to make it more secure. And I guess that's about it. That's, you know, it's just a pretty pattern. strung necklace. And so nothing real extravagant or anything, but sometimes we don't always have to have elaborate necklaces. I don't wear real elaborate necklaces, so I don't know if a lot of people do or not anymore. And here's the bracelet. It has heart. Oh, I forgot. Did I say the hearts? I just put 2 on. I didn't want it to be all about hearts, you know. But so I put also 2 on the bracelet with the bubblegum bead. Let me put this up a little bit. Maybe there we go. The baby pink freshwater potato pearls. These are the check saucers, and these are the semi-round glass beads. And the back, I just did the same thing, lobster clasps, closed jump ring, and yeah, that's it. I did not put bead caps on this time, and I don't plan on it really. And then these are the 2 earrings. This one here, I don't know if you can see, I have the other earrings from the 18th on here still. These are just simple. They're the bicone Chinese crystal and pink AB, the pearls, the check glass, the semi-rounds. They're all on just a head pin, and they're on stainless steel ear wires. Oops, you get back over here. And these I made a little more dangly. They have the glass hearts, the semi-rounds, the bicones, and the ear wires are stainless steel again. So. And there's, so I used a head pin, 2 head pins and 2 eye pins, which are silver plated brass, I think, on those from Fire Mountain. Yes, they're right here. Silver plated. I buy these in a huge pack. This is a pack of 480. I don't know what they sell them in now. I don't use that many eye pins, so they last a while. And I buy like packs of 500 of the head pins, 2-inch 21 gauge silver plated brass, and they come in like 5 packs of 100, so that's why this is kind of pulled out of the main wrapper. And then the stainless steel ear wires I got from Shipwreck Beads not too long ago, so if you're interested in those. So those are my pink pieces I made, sort of a part 2 of jewelry making fun. That's probably all I'll do with that for this month, because I need to move on to my bargain bead boxes that I'm behind in, and also my Soft Flex mystery design kit, mystery design kit, Valentine Passion. So you'll probably see some more Valentine-y type stuff, but that's more red and purple, so that's why I wanted to do pink here, because there isn't pink in there, although Bargain Bead Box has pink. So, but it's rose quartz. This is all glass, so we'll see how I do. All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and do come back again next time for more finished jewelry. All right, bye for now.